Hey guys, this is Paul from Day-to-Day Fixes. In this video, I will show you what I did to install this 20-inch depth wire mesh shelf. The 12 or 16-inch wire mesh shelf would have been too small for this closet size. I used the ClosetMaid brackets for the sides and the ClosetMaid clips for the back. Now you can see that there will be some sag if there is some heavy stuff put on the shelf, and so I bought these 12-inch Everbilt support brackets to place underneath. Now these 12-inch brackets are usually for the 12-inch depth shelves, but we are using it here in this case. Where we're going to put it is here. We are about 4 inches away from the wall, and we're going to do this on both sides of the wall. The total width of the closet is about 32 inches. Now here we're using the anchors and nails that came with the brackets. Now we can see there is minimal sag, much better than when we didn't have any type of support. I'm going to install the next shelf above using the ClosetMaid brackets for the front of the shelf. It didn't have the following issue on the previous bracket that we installed, but in this case it looks like the nail head wasn't wide enough and the bracket just came out. So since we had enough screws from the clips for the back of the shelf, I just decided to use the screws, which would also make it easier if we ever needed to remove it. These are the materials that were bought for this project. They were bought at Home Depot. They are not a sponsor of this video. The brackets that were bought were a pack of 12, which was definitely cheaper than buying individually. I also decided here that I would use the screws as opposed to the nails that came with the brackets, just to make everything the same. Now we'll just do a check on how level the shelves are. If you have a bigger level that would fit, use it. I didn't have a bigger level that would fit this closet, so this is what I'm using. As you can see, it's level. And we have a few more shelves to install. This is the final result with stuff already packed in the closet. Now the wire shelves that we used were 6 feet in length. Didn't realize they also sell 12 feet, but you can buy it and then cut it to length. You can cut it using a deadbolt cutter or a hacksaw. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks.